Alright, we're going to do a basic review of surface area and volume. We're going to start with the cube. We're going to use the piece by piece method so we can just get certain sections, and we're also going to be doing the volume of the cube. So start with the cube. Other videos have the cylinders and triangular prisms and rectangular prisms, so hopefully anything you'll encounter. So this is the surface area and volume of a cube. Okay, so here we have a cube, and we have an edge or a side length of 2.2 inches. And we're going to start with the surface area. If we look at a cube, really it's just a bunch of squares. So we've got here 6 squares. So what we want to find is the area of each square, and then add them together. Now these squares are identical, so really it's not a lot of work. We have a 2.2 inch side length here, and this side is also 2.2 inches, so you either can apply the formula area of a square equals side squared, or you can just do length times width. But the length and width are the same, so that's why we have the specialized formula. So the area of just one of these squares is 4.84. So if we look at the diagram, that means the area of every single square in this figure is 4.84. Well, we don't have to do this. What we really want to do is take all these and add them together, but why do that when we can just multiply 6 times 4.84? So the total surface area of this figure, if we were going to paint it, cover it, really we're looking at the surface of the, the area of the outside is 29.04 square inches. You want your area in square inches because it's really a measurement in squares. Now we're going to take a look at the formula method. The surface area of a cube is found by using the formula 6 times side squared, which you can see down here, and also up here. So what I'm going to do is take a side length, 2.2, plug it into my formula, and then make sure I follow order of operations. 2.2 squared means 2.2 times 2.2, not 2.2 times 2. We need to multiply it by itself. So what we get is 6 times 4.84. Multiplying that out, you see we get the same exact answer as before. And what this does is really finds the area of one side here and then multiplies it by 6. So same exact surface area. For finding the volume, we're just going to use the formula side cubed. Side length is 2.2. We're going to cube that. Now that means 2.2 times 2.2 times 2.2. We don't want to do 2.2 times 3. Okay. Once we grab our calculator and pop that in, we get 10.648 cubic inches. So that's the volume. So it's up to you in terms of the surface area if you want to go piece by piece or if you want to go with the formula. I'd really like you to take a look at that just because it kind of gives you an idea where the formula comes from, and we're going to look at other formulas as well. But it's pretty straightforward and easy to understand. It gives you a better sense of what surface area it is. So there it is, surface area and volume of a cube. Hope it helped.